In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a taxi booking website using Wix in 2025. If you've ever wanted to set up a website for your taxi business but didn't know where to start, you've come to the right place. We'll go through it step by step, ensuring you have a professional looking website ready to take bookings before you know it. First, open your browser and head over to Wix.com. Once you're there, log in if you haven't already and navigate to your home dashboard. From this dashboard, you should see an option to select a site. You'll want to click on that to start the process of creating a new one. Next, you'll see the Create New Site button. Click on it, and you'll be guided through Wix's setup process. There's an option to use their chat feature, but for our purposes today, we'll be setting it up without the chat. So go ahead and select Setup Without Chat. Now, it's time to input the essential details for your business. You'll see a prompt asking you to type in your business industry. Make sure you enter something relevant like taxi service to help Wix tailor the design to your needs. After typing in your business, simply click on the Continue button. For those who want to streamline the initial setup process, you can also skip to Dashboard. This way, you're taken directly to the central hub where you can manage your site, giving you the freedom to customize whenever you're ready. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find a Let's Go button. Clicking it will prompt you to the next phase of setting up your site. Here, you'll see an option to Design Site. This provides you with the tools needed to start crafting your website visuals. One of the key elements you'll want to focus on first is customizing your homepage. Here, replace any demo text with your brand specifics like your brand name, slogan, and contact number. These details are crucial as they represent your business and need to be eye-catching for visitors. To streamline your booking procedures, we'll incorporate the Wix Bookings app. Head to the app market, often found under Plus Add Apps. Search for Wix Bookings and add it to your site. With this app, you can set up specific services like taxi ride or airport transfer. Don't forget to add necessary fields such as pickup location, drop-off location, date, and time. These will allow customers to provide essential information and personalize their bookings. Finally, select how you want to handle bookings with either the instant booking or request to book option, depending on how you manage your workflow. This will define the user experience on your site in terms of booking taxi services. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your taxi booking website up and running on Wix, ready to serve your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful and informative.